Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can zip up the contents of your website on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and there is a functionality on WordPress which you can use to export your site. Usually zipping up your site is used for migrating your site to another service, so we can use the tools and export function, select all content and download the file, but as you can see, at the top right, it is an XML file, meaning that you can't really zip it, and it's just the content of your site and not specifically any files that you might want to zip up. Now, I will need to change to an article for this, since I have the free version of WordPress and I don't have any external help, external hosting. So you can do this in two ways. You have cPanel and you have an FTP client, and you should use either of these to zip up your files. You might be able to use hPanel from Hostinger as well. Don't quote me on that, but that might be an option. But yeah, pretty much what you need to do if you're using cPanel is log into your account, select the file manager, open up public HTML, then right-click WP content and choose compress, then select a zip archive, and then once compressed, you can download it like that. Other than that, you can use your FTP client, just connect to your server, open up public HTML again, select WP content and start the download. And once all the files from the server are downloaded, you can then select all of those files and zip them up into a directory of their own. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.